The OPKMB 20-inch Rattan Fandelier boasts a distinctive boho design with a metal cage wrapped in hemp rope and 7 golden fan blades, making it a stylish addition to various decor styles. Equipped with a reversible and quiet DC motor, this ceiling fan provides strong airflow and can be used effectively in both summer and winter to enhance air circulation. The convenient remote control allows for easy management of fan speed and lighting, offering 6 speed options and a timer function to ensure comfort and energy efficiency. Designed to accommodate all E26 screw socket bulbs up to 60 watts, the Fandelier allows users to select their preferred type and brightness of lighting. Installation is made simple with an included chrome hook that supports the fan during setup, allowing users to quickly and easily enjoy the benefits of this elegant fixture. With a 3-year warranty and professional customer service available around the clock, buyers can feel confident in their purchase of this versatile ceiling fan.